Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do bottom plate cleaning on a Canon Pixma MG7150. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself. Now after extended use, you can find that residual ink can build up inside this series of printers, leaving ink in the bottom of the printer which can be picked up as paper passes through. What we're doing here is specially folding a bit of paper in such a way that as the printer feeds it in and out, it'll be catching any residual ink that's in the bottom of the machine, soaking it up, and hopefully improving our print quality. So we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If you don't already have Copy, Scan and Cloud on the front, just press the home icon. That'll be over there to be taken here. Now we flick the screen to the right so we can get to Setup, which is shown here with screwdrivers and a pair of pliers. Press to go into that. And then we want to go into Maintenance, which is the top option. Drag this page upwards. Bottom plate cleaning is the very bottom option. So, just go into that. Yes. Remove all the paper from the printer. Now, to fold the paper for bottom plate cleaning, take a sheet of paper, fold them in half. We're going to fold it crisply along one side, open it up, and we take one of these halves, fold that one in to the center line, fold it again. Now it's important that you make sure both of these folds go in the same direction, so you've got like two little peaks like that, and then we insert it into the printer, which we do, opening up the tray, removing the other paper, and then we pop the sheet in with the peaks, for lack of a better phrase, pointing upwards and closest to the bottom edge of the tray. Close that one back up. Back at the screen, we've done all this. We just press OK until it starts cleaning. Now to take the printer a minute. Once the page is spat out, we just need to examine it, and we're looking for any kind of dots or smears of ink on this paper. If there are any, we need to fold another sheet of paper and then go through the process again. And you can just repeat this until a clean sheet comes out and you know that any residual ink or anything that's sitting in the bottom of the printer has been absorbed, and you'll hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.